Yo, and welcome back to our daily request. For tonight, I'm gonna sing "So Big" by Ayas. So, this song was requested by Don Dinoy. And by the way, Dine, you're gay. Hindi, joke lang. Peace out, rock and roll. Once again, I'm gonna sing "So Big" by Ayas. So this was requested by Don Dinoy in the house. Yo, what's up? Peace, yo. So, Dinoy, just so you know, hindi ko alam yung song, yung "So Big." Kagabi ko lang inaral. So, pinapauna ko na kung may mga magkakamali sa banat ko, sa pagtirada ko. Well, alam na. Yun. Hope magsan mo and rock and roll yo. So, here. Pinapauna ko na yung unang part, yung first two lines. Medyo rap yun mabilis yun. So, kung ano man yung magagawa ko, apology, please. Paunawa, pabala. So, once again, I'm gonna sing "So Big" by Ayas, requested by Don Dinoy Gay. Joke. So, here. Pinag-aralan ko lang to. So, marami kong natututunan na bagong kanta sa paggawa ng mga nire-request ng madlang people, you know. Hey, yo, what's up, yo? Rock and roll. So, here. Medyo madugo to so pasensya na. But, I will try my best. Promise. And music, please. Will you the know some more I sing alongside the men J.R.I.I. Now I wanna do it up, so big, party up, so big, spin it up, so big, so the whole world knows my love for you is so big, my heart is so big, my love is so big for you. Now with a girl like you, nothing you can do but give the whole world to her 24/7 when she looking so sweet. That kind of body you don't mind spending all of your time. And it's not that you're asking me for nothing. I just wanna show you how deep my love is. Cause with them girls before I wasn't feeling so calm, but you girl, I'm lose control, yo. Now I wanna do it up, so big, party up, so big, spin it up, so big, so the whole world knows my love for you is so big, my heart is so big, my love is so big for you. Now with a girl like you, I don't care who passes my way, Rihanna or Beyonce, holla on me, it doesn't mean a thing. Nothing compares to the joy you bring. The other girls can go, they make me feel so good. I'm losing control. Oh, now I wanna do it up, so big, party up, so big, spend it up, so big, so the whole world knows my love for you is so big, my heart is so big, my love so big for you. Wanna do it so big, cause girl we are so big. Let's pop them bottles so big, like superstars so big. We taking over so big, we got the love so big. Let's make it global so big, let's blow it up so big. Yeah. Come on, if this is a real love, then that ain't enough. Before she You got your body doing crazy. I never thought I ever do. No, now I wanna do it up. So big, party up. So big. So big, so the whole world knows my love for you is so big. My heart is so big, my love so big for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. My love is, my heart is for you, for you, for you. My love is for you, for you. So big. So that's it. Once again, that's So Big by Ayas, requested by Don Dinoy. Gay! Umami ka na! Joke, joke, joke. Anyway, pasensya na sa mga mali. Kagabi ko lang inaral, and kahit pa paano sana nagustuhan mo. That's for you, Don Dinoy. Magbago ka na pala. Tama na yung mga kapapost ng mga gay thing, ha? Mga gay issue na yan, tingin na yan. Unang-una, sige, hindi ako bakla. Pangalawa, hindi ka bakla. Ang bakla, si JD. Nag-gym pa kunwari, para lang mapagtakpan yung kabadingan niya. Umami na dati yun eh. Charot. Anyway, rock and roll. Once again, that was So Big by Ayas, requested by Don Dinoy. So that's it. Hope you like it and enjoy. Just pray at night, Japan. Mga ganon. Just remember, keep it real, keep it cool, and always rock and roll, baby. Sup, y'all. Bye.